I'm going to start with dyeing these shoes purple. Now I heard from somebody during the prep process I should put an adhesion promoter on them. That's not working so well, so I had to remove the adhesion promoter using acetone, and then I just dunked it in dye for 5 hours, and this is the result. I like the color, but I want it darker, so I'm going to paint it. I'm going to use this leather paint, and I'm going to thin it out with 2-thin. I love how juicy this looks, but you need to apply it in thin coats, so I'm going to even it out so it's super thin. For the tongue, I'm going to use 2 Soft, which is a fabric medium, and that keeps it pliable, and leather paint. Now the tongue is done, I've got to redo the Nike symbol, and I'm using a 12-0 brush for that. Now we're all done and ready for the next step. If you like this type of video, please follow along on this journey and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!